So it is headed for 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna get everything cleaned up from the day because it's not actually looking that bad in here today. It could, most of the time it looks a whole lot worse, but I'm going to tidy up the living room and get ready to make dinner. I'm trying something from my Pinterest meal challenge today. So hope you guys have been enjoying those what's for dinner videos. I've really been having a lot of fun making them. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this tidy up because that's what I'm about to do. You hear my dog? Dog's going crazy. The situation in the living room today is not as bad as it can normally get. With everybody being home on summer break, things tend to accumulate in the living room very, very quickly. The kitchen table is not too bad. The kitchen is actually okay. So I just have a little bit of tidying to do. My desk is a hot mess, and let's get started. I wish that I had like barely any stuff. I think minimalism is the journey to Michaela, bring that spray to everywhere. He's trying to kill ants with it was yesterday. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by.